Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig. Y'all, this took me less than an hour to install. Typically, my install time is like at an hour or so. Quickest install, like full lace and laid. Like y'all know I be like finessing, like this is laid, honey. So it took me less than an hour. Also, within that hour, I was able to show you guys multiple styles, and you can even do more than I did. I just am no hairstylist, so I just kept it simple, but I still wanted to give you guys ideas. I absolutely love this hair. This is literally kinky curly. Like the shape of it, it's just like framing my face. It's giving like afro curly. Like it's not like just curly. It's not bushy. It's just perfect. So if you guys want more information on this hair, first of all, make sure you guys check out the description box below. I will have all information from WowAfrican. And secondly, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Chicken head Tasha has entered the chat, guys. So today I'm going to be putting on this wig from WowAfrican, and wow, it is beautiful. It is this like kinky curly texture, and before I was a little skeptical. Honestly, the pictures online do it no justice. The wig looks kind of thin, but in person, it is so full, so thick, so manageable. Like, it's amazing. So I did have on makeup earlier. If you ever do put on your wig after applying your makeup, make sure you're wiping it off. I would not suggest alcohol because that's really damaging to the skin. I'm using the Erica J Skin Guard. It literally completely wipes everything away. So now I'm going to be using my Liquid Gold by Bold to adhere my wig, and you guys, this has taken down the install time for me by like 50%. Like I finished my wig so fast now. It's not a hassle, it's not a task. As long as I have some good lace, my wig is clean, my installs are super easy. So I'm just applying that, and yes, you can get it on your hair. Don't worry about it getting on your hair because it is alcohol free. So far, you know, I struggle in the edge department, but so far I haven't experienced any breakage or any weirdness. It's actually the best thing ever, and you get so much product. Like, anyways, this is not about the product, but yeah, so go ahead and apply the wig. It's super easy. You guys have seen me apply my wig 1,000,001 times, but today I decided to do something a little bit different in this video. Instead of just styling the wig one way, I just saw so much potential in this wig, so I decided to do a few styles. I think I did like 5. Don't quote me, you'll see at the end. But there was so many more styles you could have done, more intricate styles, because this is textured hair. I feel like textured hair is just so much more fun to work with. You can do so much more. So I did what I could because, you know, I'm not a hairstylist. So I showed you guys just a few ideas. You guys could definitely do some braids. You guys can do high ponytails because this is a 360 wig, so you're able to wear it in a ponytail if you want to. You can do like rubber bands in the front, like, you know, the little hairstyle with the, just so many hairstyles. So I'm just gonna continue applying this wig, and unfortunately my camera had died, so I was not able to get the baby hairs on camera, you guys. And it's crazy because my baby hairs actually looked decent this time. Like, it's really crazy. And this lace is amazing. I've been getting very good lace. It's crazy because they claim they got a lace shortage, but the lace is not bad. I just think some companies are trying to get over on us, but WowAfrican is coming through. So if you're looking for a good wig, okay, not no BS, hit up WowAfrican. Look at that. Look at that. Hit up WowAfrican. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a few of the styles that I did. I'm going to play some cute music. And yeah, let me know below which style was your favorite. I absolutely love this wig. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. I promise you guys I have more content coming up. Don't kill me. I know it's a lot of hair videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.